Ready to funk up your animation game? Let's dive into creating custom characters for Friday Night Funkin' in Adobe Animate. First, open Adobe Animate and start the new project. Select Action Script 30 to ensure compatibility for FNF modding. Now, organize your character. Create separate layers in the Layers panel for each body part: head, torso, arms, legs, and more. This organization is key for animation. Start designing. In the head layer, use the drawing tools to sketch your character's head. Remember the FNF style: bold lines and simple shapes. Use the fill tool for colors. Convert each body part into a symbol. Select right-click and choose Convert to Symbol. Make sure to choose graphic symbol type for each. Next, rig the character for easy animation. Select the bone tool and click drag across the character's limbs to create joints and build a rig. In the timeline, add keyframes where you want to change positions. Move the body parts between these keyframes that will add movement. And there you have it. You can now export your masterpiece as an SWF, then import it to your game. Now you're ready to join the FNF crew.